سلام به بخش دیگه از آموزش‌های اسپیکینگ آیلتس خوش اومدین. یکی دیگه از سوالاتی که ممکنه توی بخش اسپیکینگ آیلتس از شما بخوان در موردش صحبت کنیم wild animal هست. Describe a wild animal that can be found in your country. You should say what the animal is, where it can be found, and how people in your country feel about it, and whether you have seen it. For tip, I can say think of an endangered but dangerous animal. Okay, whereas there are many wild animals in my country, I'd select the crocodile, a large, accurate reptile whose physical traits allow it to be a successful predator. As far as I know, crocodiles live throughout the tropics in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. But the breed I'm talking about is indigenous to the southeast of Iran, living in wetlands and brackish water. Apparently, they congregate in freshwater habitats such as rivers and lakes as well. To tell you the truth, most people, including the locals, are deeply afraid of them as they are very dangerous to humans, mainly because of their ability to strike before the person can react. They are carnivores and grow to sizes over 7 meters, killing hundreds of people annually. Nevertheless, they are among the endangered species that are threatened by human-related activities. They are hunted as their hides can be tanned and used to make leather goods, such as shoes and handbags. Actually, while I have never been to their natural habitat, a couple of years ago I visited a zoo where I saw a few of them. Although caged, they are extremely frightening. برای وایلد انیمال ما این فریز ها رو داشتیم: aquatic, reptile, physical traits, predator, the tropics, breed, indigenous, wetland, brackish water, congregate, freshwater, habitat, deeply afraid, strike, react, carnivore, grow, endangered species, threatened, hunt, to kill a wild animal or bird, hide, tan, leather goods, caged, frightening. Aquatic, it means living in or near water. Reptile, it means any animal that has cold blood and skin covered in scales and that lays eggs. Physical trait, it means physical characteristic. Predator, it means an animal that hunts, kills, and eats other animals. The tropics, it means the hottest part of the world, which is around the equator. Breed, it means a particular type of animal or plant. Indigenous, it means belonging to a particular place rather than coming to it from somewhere else. Wetland, it means an area of a wetland. Brackish water, it means brackish water is salty, dirty, and unpleasant. Congregate, it means to come together in a group. Fresh water, it means having water that is not salty. Habitats, it means the natural environment in which an animal or plant usually lives. Deeply afraid, it means extremely frightened. Strike, it means to attack someone or something forcefully or violently. React, it means to move in a particular way as a result of or in a response to something. Carnivore, it means any animal that eats meat. Grow, it means to increase in size. Endangered species, it means a group of animals, plants, and so on that may soon no longer exist. Threatened, it means endangered, likely to be destroyed, harmed, and so on. Hound, it means to kill a wild animal or bird. Hide, it means the strong thick skin of an animal which is used for making leather. Tan, it means to change animal skin into leather using special chemicals. Leather goods, it means things that are made of leather. Cage, it means confined in a cage. Frightening, it means making you feel afraid. مورد بعدی ممکنه از شما بخوان در مورد یک مشکل محیط زیستی صحبت کنید. Environmental problem. Describe an environmental problem in your country. You should say what the problem is, whether it's serious, what caused this problem, and how it can be solved. For tip, I can say talk about a problem that has various causes and to which there are different solutions. While there are a few environmental problems in my country, I'd go for air pollution. A problem most countries all over the world are facing. To tell you the truth, air quality in many cities is poor, and they are permanently covered by a cloud of pollution. You know, it is one of the greatest problems mankind is experiencing. And some cities are going to be uninhabitable if the present trends goes unchecked. Besides, it's well established that it contributes to global warming, which presents the greatest threat to the environment. Sources of air pollution are many. Various location, activities, or factors are responsible for the releasing of pollutants into the atmosphere. However, emissions from factories and exhaust fumes from cars are undoubtedly among the major causes. As a matter of fact, Despite the acuteness of this problem, it is not insurmountable, and there are a number of measures that can be taken to resolve it. One option is to use renewable energy. In addition, planting trees to help keep the environment in balance is another perfectly viable solution. و این ما این فریز ها رو داشتیم: air pollution, air quality, poor, cloud of pollution, great problem, uninhabitable, present, trend, go unchecked, well established, global warming, present, threat, the environment, source, responsible, release, pollutant, atmosphere, emission, exhaust fumes, major cause, acuteness, insurmountable, take measures, resolve, option, renewable energy, plant tree, imbalance, weeble, solution. Air pollution, it means air pollution occurs when the air contains gases, dust, fumes, and so on in harmful amounts. Air quality, it means the degree to which the air is clean and free from pollution. Poor, it means if the quality is poor, it's low. Cloud of pollution, it means a mass of toxic gases that look like a cloud. Great problem, it means serious problem. Uninhabitable, it means impossible to live in. Present, it means happening or exciting now. Trend, it means a general direction in which a situation is changing or developing. Go unchecked, if something harmful is unchecked, it's not controlled or stopped from getting worse. Well established, it means well known or validated. Global warming, it means a gradual increase in world temperature caused by polluting gases such as carbon dioxide, which are collecting in the air around the earth and preventing heat from escaping into space. Present, it means to present a problem, threat, and so on, means to create or cause a problem and threat. Threat, it means a person or thing that is likely to cause trouble and danger. The environment, it means the natural world in which people, animals, and plants live. Source, it means cause. Responsible, it means being the cause of something bad. Release, it means to let a substance spread into the atmosphere. Pollutant, it means a substance, especially a chemical that makes an area or substance, usually air, water, or earth dirty or harmful to people, animals, and plants. Atmosphere, it means the mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Emission, it means gas and so on that is sent out into the air. Exhaust fumes, it means the waste gas from an engine, especially cars. Major cause, it means the main reason why something, especially something bad, happens. Acuteness, it means seriousness. Insurmountable, it means insolvable, something that cannot be solved. Take measures, it means do not action to achieve a goal. Resolve, it means to solve or end a problem or difficulty. Option, it means choice. Renewable energy, it means describes a form of energy that can be produced as quickly as it's used. Plant tree, it means to put a tree into the ground so that it will grow. Imbalance, it means a situation in which different things exist in equal, correct, or good amounts. Variable, if something is variable, it's practical and can be done or can be successful. Solution, it means the answer to a problem. This video is taken for Navi Daria's page.